Today I will be making more progress on the spawning portion of my game engine. Basically, I'll be picking up where we last left off on the previous stream. With that, I guess we should just jump right into this. Yeah, so last time I had just gotten these pointers squared away and I was checking their values to make sure they were dereferencing the proper position, and I was able to confirm that by looking at this spot in memory, which we get the value BB, which I believe is what I can't remember if it was the low byte or the high byte of the Y array. Let me double check. I think I stored that at the end of all this data that I have in here, which there is a lot because this mapper is pretty big. Yeah, right around here. Yeah, so it is the low of the X coordinate for our sorted Y array. Okay. All right, so yeah, I was storing these values here because they're going to need to be referenced later on. So right now, yeah, I get the low, and then I get the high, and just kind of copying what I did previously. I'm just going to have to check to see. Yeah, you have to do this 2-byte comparison here. So yeah, ooh, it's easy to do this portion here, but I'm gonna have to change this a little bit for this down direction, because our camera position, it's Y. Yeah, it is not going to, yeah, it's not simply going to be 256 down. Instead, I'm going to have to add the height of the screen, which should be 240. Load, add, oh great, yeah, what is, I don't know what that is in hex, so I guess I'll just write it in decimal. So we load our low byte, we add that, then we store, and then load, and then add with carry, and then store. So that way we add our screen height and carry over any data. Okay, now then I have to do that 2-byte comparison, which is this. I'm just going to copy this. And I'll continue here. And I'm going to put this breakpoint inside here. So yeah, if we're not if it's not within there, if the pointer is not within there, then we continue on. And just to confirm, arg1 is this value, which in this case is BB. This guy. This should be BB. And then this should be 0. And then this obviously gets adjusted every frame. So initially it's going to be 0. And then we add with carry the value 240. And then we store that here. And then we add the carry again for the high, which there shouldn't be anything. So this value should initially just be 240. So when we do our 2-byte comparison, right, we're comparing BB to whatever 240 is in hex. And we're only going to basically hit this. Should only hit this when our window approaches this, or it meets this threshold, I guess I should say. So let's try to test this out to make sure that this works. So build, go over, oop, that's not my ROM, this is my ROM. Play, is this the only one? Okay, it is. Okay. Okay. Don't need that. Play. I don't think I should be hitting this immediately, should I? Doesn't seem right. Let me think about this. Yes, I add the height of the screen. I need to see what the hell. What is this? Calculator. Okay. 240. What is that? Oh my goodness. F0. Okay, okay. Okay, that makes sense that it is hitting that. Yeah, I need to change my data here. Going way too far. Oh, wait a minute. I'm comparing... I shouldn't be looking at my x direction here. That's my problem. Yeah, I'm getting BB. Is that right? No, I shouldn't be getting that. I should not be getting BB. I should be getting 60. Great. Okay. Getting that value. Okay. Well, am I putting the right thing in here then? That looks correct. I mean, this all looks correct. Why am I getting BB? Should not be getting BB. Oh my gosh. I don't know why that's all highlighted. Yeah, what is this thing saying? Oh, it is. That is correct. 60. 60 and yeah, 60, 60, 60. One. Is that right? Yeah, 16, 1. For the Y. Okay. Okay, so this is right. This is right. So this should be 60. This should be 1. That's what it looks like it is. Looks like this is 60 that gets stored 3 times. And then 1. Looks right. 18. What? $18 is, oh, because I've already pressed down 18. Okay. 60. Okay. right. Okay. Well, I wonder what happens when I go past this point then. Okay, I don't know who these guys are. Oh, and I completely lost my original position. But now I have it. Yeah, now it's not hitting it. Is that the behavior I want? Let me look at this. So if I am going down, as soon as I hit this guy, yeah, I don't want to do anything until I hit that guy. Yeah, I don't want to do anything. Then as soon as I hit that, then I need to process it. Then, yeah, then I have to spawn this thing. Okay. So man. Okay. What does this do? Let's just see what this does. Really should get rid of this other stuff. This, I believe, is always going to hit now. Yeah, because it's greater than that. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I actually want to do that. Continue. Yeah, way at the end. All the way at the end. Yeah. What do I want to do here? Yeah, I need to think out loud. I'm thinking... Yeah, okay. Thinking I had this right, and that did I have this right? Let me change the data. Let me make this a bit more exaggerated. Well, nah, I shouldn't need to do this. I shouldn't need to change anything. It's on 1. Left, down. Oh, man. Yeah, if I have my window going right, keep checking right till I hit that point. When I'm at that point, I need to increment my pointer. That's right. I think that's what I had up here. So I think no, that should be done here. Maybe I don't do it here. Actually, will that be a problem for me? Yeah, yep. Will this be a problem? For the left direction. The right direction, I'm not doing that. In the left direction. I guess, yeah, in the left direction, I just get these things first. Yeah, and then I do this. Okay. Okay. Well, essentially, I need to do the same thing here. Except it's going to be a bit inverted. So... yeah, I need to check the X position here instead. But before I do that, before I do any of this, I'm just going to do this. To make sure. Yeah, so that, yeah, okay. Okay. And don't need this here. Actually, do I need this? What did I call? Oh. I know what I called this thing. I don't know if I still have it defined though. I'm just thinking of this variable, this temp variable that I made, I think last stream. I don't remember. Yeah, just foobar. I just want to quickly see this thing that I'm modifying. I want to see how it's being updated. Okay. I don't know where this other breakpoint is. Okay. I guess I actually don't need this breakpoint right now. Just move this here. There we go. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything being updated. Forget which index location that's in, but it looked like this was just zeroed throughout the whole way. Is this right? Load store. Where am I catching this? Where is this actually? Doesn't look like I have it here. Oh, right below it. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah, 4. The value should be 4. Where is 4 here? I don't see any 4. Why don't I see 4? Because 4 should be... If I'm storing that there, that guy should be here. Should be quite obvious to see where that guy is. Why am I not seeing that guy? Oh, I think I was looking looking too far up. There it is, right there. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah, that looks right. All right, let me power cycle this. Now that I know where I'm looking. Yeah, 1 0 1 0. So if I move this guy over, oh, interesting. Okay. 2. Right, because supposedly, well, this is saying that we've already hit it. I don't think that's true. right. This is, yeah. Don't think that's true. I think this has to be inverted. Where the heck? Oh, where did my memory go? There. Okay. Okay, that looks right. Yeah, so I was initially right. Okay. That makes more sense. Yeah, because now we're pointing at index 3. Okay. Okay. Yeah, just to do this one more time. This time, yeah, no breakpoint. I'm just going to be looking at memory. Just move over. Yeah, 2. Ugh. And 3. Yeah, and it doesn't hit until, well, technically it should never hit, but... Oh, what the hell? What the heck? What the heck just happened here? Did I go... Did I not... What the heck happened there? I was just going down. Oh. Some weird edge case with these pointers. This guy should never hit 0. I think this guy has to stay on 1. Okay, yeah, whatever. No, okay, maybe that guy has to stay on 0. I've ran into some weird edge case here. I'm gonna have to make a note of this. X index left pointer gets caught in loop where it is incremented. This continuously? Okay. All right, so that's a bug. Frustrating thing. Okay. But as far as this Y index pointer is concerned, it seems to be working. Okay. this guy out. Comment this out, or uncomment it out. X position, get little byte of next. X position in the Y sorted array. Spawn Y position X. Spawn Y in position X. Just want to see if I'm getting this correctly. I should be. I need to be getting the X position here so I can check whether or not I'm in range. And the data should, what should the data look like? Oh my goodness, a lot of data. All right, X position, that's this BB and 0. So for X low, so if I store this one here, it should read BB. So let's recompile this thing, or assemble, I should say. And I need to be looking at my memory. Go down to, yeah, right there, BB. If I go one more, yeah, that should be FB, right? FB, that's the next one. The next X range that has to be checked. So that looks correct to me. Okay. Don't need that either. Okay, okay. So now I have to do that comparison, same thing that was done up here. Where is that comparison? Should be 2 comparisons. Yeah, this one's a little weird in this direction. I should be looking more at this one. Yeah, increment. And then adding the camera size here. Do I have to do that here as well? Let me think about this. Increment pointer. Add size of Y. Why did I do this again? Yeah, if I'm going in the X direction, get the next one, then I increment it. And I have to see if my Y value is in range. Okay, yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's why this check is different from this check, because this check is the 0 side, and this is the width of, or the height of the screen side. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. I basically have to do the same thing here now. Right. Okay, I'm just going to copy this and modify it. Okay, so I'll do it just right here. And instead of Y, this has to be X. And this has to be X. This has to be X. And this has to be X. Okay. And I think I don't have to do this. I just have to do this instead. Okay. Okay. That, and then this, and then this just jumps to continue. And then this is the second comparison. Okay. Okay. And then basically if I hit this, then I'm supposed to spawn. So let me assemble this. Okay. And in here, okay, so if I go way over here, if I go all the way to the edge, in theory, I should not hit this. Seems to be the case. Okay. And if I'm over here, though, it looks like I already hit it. And it looks like that's incremented. So I should have spawned an object there. And I should spawn an object there. So that looks correct to me. If I go way over here, and I should definitely clear out this level data. Hard to test this when I have a mixture of solid objects and transparent objects. But yeah, that looks like it's working. Okay. That looks right, that looks right. That's getting caught there. Then what did I do? Okay, I did the comparison. Then I did math. Okay, then I had to do some math to figure out where in the Y position this thing is supposed to go. Okay. Okay, I can pretty much just, copy all of this. This is just basically setting up the arguments to pass to my spawn object routine. So if I go back down to, oh, did I pass it already? In here. Here. This should be the X low byte. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna have to renumber these arguments. Because, yeah, X is being fed to arg1 instead of Y being fed to arg1, like I did above. Oh, God. That's gonna be ugly to think about. Yeah. Shoot. Yeah, I did not think about that. I'm gonna have to swap those things around. Well, it's a good thing I caught this before I ran it. And I still need to do this checking business here. Okay. Okay, ARG1, so that's not going to change. ARG6 and ARG7. Those need to be swapped. Okay, temp 2 and temp 3 need to be swapped. Temp 4 and temp 5 need to be swapped. Let me say that again. Temp 2 needs to be swapped with temp 3. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Where the hell are my other temps? Well, this is 5. This was 4. This was 2, so that must be 3, and it was 2. Temp 5 is now 4. Temp 3 is now 2. Okay, hopefully I didn't screw up anything there. Let me build, run. Okay. Okay. I think I was supposed to do that. Okay, yeah. That looks right to me. And that looks right to me. So we got 2 guys. I'm gonna have to... How am I gonna handle that? This overflow thing. XC should not be visible there. I think I'm just going to have to write something in the object handler to just not render anything that's in that HUD zone. That should take care of that issue. I'm just going to make a note of that. What is it, 48, I think it was. In the HUD. Okay. Okay, the last thing I need to do is really just to check to see if I already spawned it. And to mark it as spawned. So, yeah, that's the last 2 things. Yep, this guy, I'll just copy him. Actually, I'm just going to copy this whole thing. makes sense. Do 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 do. Okay. Right. Right, this is the same thing. Yeah, get this guy. Get his ID from Y. Transfer that index to get the value in our little global object spawnable array. Compare to 0. If it's 0, spawn the object, and then mark that as complete. That should be it. That should be it. So, okay. I should move this back over here. Build. Run. I want to look at memory here. Okay. Yeah, he's marked. And then he's marked. Let me do this one more time. Get rid of the debugger. Yeah. Okay. I think there's one last thing I need to do for the down direction. And that is, I need to what do I need to do? I need to update my up direction. That's what I need to do. Or my up routine. So when I go up, I have to kick back my pointer. And this is pretty much going to be the same code as seen here for the left direction. Yeah, it's like the same thing. So instead of going up or going right, I'm now in the up going down. Yeah, so update the right pointer. Update down pointer going up. Update the down pointer. Okay. looks correct. Get low byte of next X position. Okay, yeah, it's really, we need to get the Y position instead, the X. Get next Y and Y sorted array, Y sorted array, Y, 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 Y. This should be Y. This should be Y. Except this has to be changed to this. I think it's actually F0. Let me double check that though. 240, I'm pretty sure is F0, but let me check. Yeah, F0, okay. Yeah, load, store, load, X carry, 0, store. Then we do our byte comparison, and then we decrement the Y pointer. And just check again. I wonder if this should I be doing this multiple times per frame? Whatever. Just need to build, test again. In fact, for this one, I could just go all the way over here to test this out. 3. Doesn't look like it's decrementing. I must be missing something. I must be doing something wrong. Yeah, I'm never hitting it. Why am I not hitting that? This is in the up routine. I am pressing up. Update down pointer. Update down pointer going up. Not the X, it's the Y. Right? Right. That's probably the reason why we build. Try this again. Two, 3. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. And there's no marks in our sort of spawned cache. So if I go over here, now it writes, yep, right there, and it's spawned. And yep, now that guy is spawned. All right, so the down direction is fully functional, although I might exhibit the same bug I saw with this other thing, which I'm sure it's due to some kind of edge case. But yeah, I think that'll be it for today. Tomorrow I'll probably tackle the other direction. And then, well, maybe I should look into these bugs tomorrow. I don't know. Typically, whenever you find a bug, you want to immediately address it. If it lingers around too long, it can cause a whole bunch of problems and a lot of headache. The cost of those bugs typically grows exponentially over time. So, yeah, something that I should probably consider. But I think this will be it for now. All right, well, till next time. Thanks for watching.